Real estate agents, are you tired of juggling countless tools and wasting money? I can relate. I've been a real estate agent since 2017. And when I tell you all those different logins drive me insane. But here at Follow Up Sauce, we're going to show you how you can eliminate that process and log into one account and have access to all these different things, guys, whether it's setting up your calendar, whether it's emailing your people, reading their email, sending out SMS messages, just automation altogether, guys. We are here to give you that follow up sauce you have been needing in your business. So without further ado, right here, I have a person who has booked an appointment with me, and I got to make this quick because it's 11:48. Appointment is at 12:05 today, and I got to get on to that call. But I wanted to show you kind of how this works. So when someone books an appointment with me on my calendar, it gives me this information over here, which I've closed it out because I didn't want you to be able to see all of his personal details. I guess I could show you, let me see here. I guess I could show you this right here. So you can see here that in his form, he has placed this information in here so that I can know more about what he's looking for. These are the areas that he's looking in. So I have it pretty much laid out with the questions that I've asked him on that form. All right, guys. So the way that it works is this is the actual form that he gets to complete. So he comes here, he puts in all this information here. Once he clicks that continue button, it's going to pull up a calendar that's going to show him all of my available time. Then once he books that, it's going to instantly send him a message that says, "Hey, Tariq, your appointment is officially scheduled for Tuesday, February 25th, blah, 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 blah. Save this number to recognize it," right? And then it puts it on my calendar and it notifies me as well in my phone. And you don't see this here because this is everything that goes to him. Here you can see the email that was sent out to him. Also letting him know, hey, we got you, scheduled for Tuesday. We're trying to make sure he doesn't forget about this appointment. Then we remind him again in 24 hours. So, this can be set up the way that you like it, but this is how I like it, so that it can continue to follow with them so that I don't have to. This is all happening automatically for me, and I'm going to show you how. This sends him a text message. So these right here in the blue is the SMS message. This is an email message. So we're hitting them on both ends because we know most people have their phone with them 24/7. So we want to make sure that we, message them in their phone. And then here you can see it says in 1 hour, we have your appointment. Once again, we emailed and sent an SMS message. All right. So how does this work in the background, Felicia? So this is how it works, guys. I came here, I set up the workflow here so that it can automatically happen for me. I don't want to be reminding people that they have an appointment with me. I want this to all be happening automatically, whether I'm out having dinner, out with the girls, or whatever the case is. So here you can see my trigger was the customer booked appointment, which a calendar that they use. You can see here I have several different calendars all working in, for my business. So depending on what, it is about, whether it's, probates, pre-foreclosure, rental homes, whatever the case is, it's well organized, guys. And that's what you need in your business if you're going to be doing some big business. Here you go down, you see I assigned it to the user. I have my name there. The first SMS, you already saw that message. So you see here, it has the custom field there for the contact name and the appointment start time. These things are happening for you guys automatically. The tag that you want added. And again, you can come in here and change it up however you want to. In 24 hours, you can see I have the 1 day. It's going to send out this text message right here to remind them, hey, in 24 hours, don't forget you have an appointment with me. If you need to reschedule, check your email to reschedule. All right. So then you have 15 minutes before the appointment, same thing. And guess what? It also sends me an internal notification. So it's going to message me to my phone. So no matter what I'm doing, I'm going to see this message come up and it's going to say you have an appointment in 15 minutes with that person, whatever the person's name is. Pretty simple, guys. All right. Now you say, well, what if I want to change up some of those things? You can. So all this was done by me. I like to set up my own forms so that I know the exact questions that I want to ask. I got certain things that I would need to know, but it's pretty simple. So all you do is come over here, the elements, you click on add element here, and then you just choose whatever it is that you want to add over there. So if it's a single line, a single drop, let's do a single drop. So you come in here and you say, how many bedrooms? And then you go to options and you choose whatever options you want it to say. And boom. So you can see it. Preview. All right. So you can see here that now it has the 2, 3, or the 4. All right. It's pretty simple stuff, guys. If you want to make this a required field, you just click that and you'll see it places the asterisk there. All right, guys, so there you have it. Another quick video to show you how follow-up salts can really automate your business and help you save a lot of time while still being able to attend to your customers, guys. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to reach out to us. Um, Also, if you say, hey, that's enough for me, I'm ready to go ahead and get started, click the link below or go to followupsauce.com. It'll take you directly to begin your trial. We have started the trial process, so you can just begin your trial and get started with us free of charge, just to get your feet wet and then dive in once you're ready. All right. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. Look forward to working with you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.